Let's DIY a coffee bar sign for spring with a bee theme. This is an old thrifted sign that I have remade a million times for my coffee bar. It's just a board sign that I got at Goodwill, and I'm going to use supplies from the Dollar Tree to turn this into a custom bee sign for spring for my coffee bar. This is the perfect size for the top of my coffee bar. I hang it at the very top. I wanted to be a statement piece. I had it all decorated for St. Patrick's Day, but I'm going to convert it to a bee theme. So I want it to be a blank canvas, so I just went ahead and painted everything with a couple coats of white paint. And I want to give a wood look. So I'm going to do a faux wood grain on this using Antique Wax by Waverly over the white paint. I just drag it with a chunky brush, giving me a faux wood grain because that's what I want it to look like a stained wood. Then I went back in with some of the white, and I want to go back and forth and distress it with more of the Antique Wax by Waverly, and it's going to give me that wood grain. I had a wood theme going on with this coffee bar, and so I love that look with a bee theme. For the sign I'm going to attach to it, I got this little wood sign at Dollar Tree. It has a little bee and honeycombs on there, and I'm just going to paint the honeycomb yellow with some acrylic paint. And then I want to go in and paint the bee a little bit more of a contrasting color. So I just went in with some white acrylic on that. Now that I have this painted, I can add my bee sign to it. And then I want to do words. And to do them, I'm actually going to use some of the removable wallpaper from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to try to just do some boxy letters for this. Just using a ruler and a pen, I can draw out my letters. Then I can go in and cut them out and apply them to my sign. It's removable wallpaper, so it'll be easy to remove for the next season. And I wanted to give an option, something that you could use from the Dollar Tree that you don't need to have a Cricut with. If you do a boxy letter like this, it's really easy to do as long as you have a ruler to be able to make sure that, your lines are straight and everything is square. I'm going to have this say coffee buzz because I think that's really funny to go with the bee theme for my coffee bar. So it was really easy to cut out. I cut out a CO, two F's, two E's, and they're the perfect size for this top board. Then I just need to do a BUZZ for the second line. I try not to put any wording on the third row because it gets covered up by items on my coffee bar. So I just cut out 4 more rectangles here, which I can cut down into new letters. I kind of wanted my B to be a little bit rounded to make it a little bit more obvious that it was a B and not an 8 and then a U and 2 Z's here. We can complete the sign. Again, you just have to peel off the back, peel and stick, and we have a really easy little coffee bar sign here. Now that I have that on there, I'm going to seal it with a little bit of Mod Podge just to help it stay on there. And I'm going to hot glue on my little bee sign over here on the left. It turned out really cute. I really loved the bee theme for my coffee bar. I think it's perfect for spring or for summer. This is how it looks atop my coffee bar. For all of the DIYs, you can visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting.